All right.
What up?
What up? Hey, we're about to do another Guys Doing Things install.
Yes, sir.
This time a home installation. This time we're going to be replacing those and installing some Hexagon lights. So, Big Woo come over to give me a hand.
Yes, sir.
Yep, I got the pups, got Roxy, Dexter, and Nosy Dior over there. They probably going to be in the way more than anything.
Right. Might be taking this out.
Yeah, we might have to put them up. But either way, we about to figure this out. Here we go.
Stay tuned.
All right, there we go. All right, y'all, so we got another little Amazon package. We will put the link in the description of this, of these lights. Ooh, you see, like I told you, you got the nosy ones. But they good pups. So I always wanted these horizontal lights because I always see them in the shops. I see how bright it lights up the garage. But I did have a buddy tell me the other day that he said you might not like them lights as much as you think once you see all the little defects in paint and on your bike and your car. So we'll see. But right now, we're just gonna get it installed. We open it up and it looks like 3 boxes. So I ordered 3 of them because I have 3 sets of lights in the garage. So obviously I ordered 3 packages of the horizontal lights. So we'll open up the first box, see what's in here. Yo.
It's always like Christmas around here.
It ain't.
It's always like Christmas.
Hey, like I told the missus, man, this is adding value to the house.
Oh. That's how you got away with it?
Yeah, something like that. All right.
Yeah, see how he flicked that knife, man?
That's what you talking about. Everybody should have a pocket knife, man. This comes with a handy tool. And I'm trying to be extra careful cutting it because I'm not trying to damage nothing.
No.
Again, no more of that. So take your time. As we all know, when you get these new boxes, we get a little excited. We want to hurry up and open it. This time I'm slowing down a little bit.
Right.
All right. So, got some styrofoam. And yeah, it's pretty straightforward. We got the lights, and man, like when they say they don't weigh nothing, they don't weigh nothing. I probably have to go get my little scale, lay it on here. This has to be just a couple ounces. It's that light. Like it feel like if the good burst of wind, this is definitely gonna fly off.
Right.
So we took everything out the box. We laid it out. So all of these are exactly the same. So they're all exactly the same. The only difference is you got to be careful is when you're connecting all your pieces together. You have the ones that have 3 connectors, and then you have the ones for the corners that have 2. But when you're going to connect your power, you're going to connect this to one of the ends, so that way you can connect it to your power source, and it just connects exactly the same as the other ones. You just plug it in here like that. You just plug it in. And then all these, you'll just plug in the same way. And then you'll it's a snug fit, but that's what you want. And they go together just like that. And then once we get it all hung up on the wall, we'll connect our power. We should have light.
There be light.
Right. All right, y'all. I don't know if, as you can see in the time lapse, we took the big old school fluorescent lights down. Be careful taking those down because we'll put me up on game. It's got gas up in those, so if you drop those, they kind of explode. Yeah. And that glass go everywhere. So that's why you saw me with my eye protection on. Wear your PPE, people. Don't be too cool. I'm telling you, you'll be mad later.
Right.
All right, but seriously, so now we just connected the red to the red and the white to the blue because the blue is the null. The red is live. So I just doing a test. So I'd rather just mess up one bulb than hook everything up and flip it and something be bad and burn all the bulbs out. Yeah. So we'll keep it rolling, show the light. Yeah. I'm gonna flip the switch. We'll see if there's light. 1, 2, 3.
Oh shit.
Nope.
You tripped something.
That's how down.
Wow.
All right. So that didn't work. So hopefully we didn't ruin that bolt. And you got your test one over here. And we'll just test it. See if it still turns on. Hopefully I didn't burn a bolt. Nope, it's still good.
Yes, hey.
All right, y'all. So after a lot of up and down this damn ladder, I finally had to make a call to my electrician buddy, Jake. Big shout out to you, Jake. Helped me out, keeping me safe. So long story short, they say the red wire and the blue wire. It's a brown wire. It's not red, first of all, and it's a blue. But the blue goes to the white up here, and then the red goes to that brown wire. You probably can't see it, but yeah, you just gotta remember, the red goes to the brown, and the blue goes to the white. And then Trey, can you hit that switch for me?
Ready?
Yeah, man.
Let's see what we got.
Y'all thought we wasn't gonna get it.
They say,
Yeah.
let there be light.
There we go. There we go. We got light. All right, first of many. So here we go. All right, y'all. So this project's taking a little longer than we thought.
Yes, sir.
But as you can see up in that background, we making progress.
Yeah, we got that first set done.
Yeah. So, but I have a garage door screen plus the garage door. So trying to get over that and hang those was taking a lot longer.
Yeah.
Yep. Trying to get that because I had to lean over and hold, reach. But long story short, we got it. I will come up with something to clean up that hole up there for the wires coming down there. We'll get that taken care of. But as you can see, the light over here versus the light over here. And then just the floor. I mean, it's bright over here, a little dimmer over there. But we're getting there.
Yes, sir.
It ain't done yet. The video continues. All right, y'all. As you can see, this is day 2.
Right.
So we done learned a little bit. I mean, we learned one thing, that we lay it out on the floor first before we put it up on the ceiling, as you can see up there. I learned a lot about this right here. So this is why I kept blowing the circuit breaker, because I was plugging the white and the red into it, so it kept tripping it. So one's for the red, and then one's for the white. Yep. So it's pretty simple, self-explanatory. So if you ever run into that problem, just make sure you're using one per wire. So that way it doesn't, the conduit doesn't get crossed up. But other than that, we're gonna put this back in time lapse and take this light down and put this one up. All right, we halfway there. We halfway there.
Knocking it out, baby.
As you can see, we got 1, 2, still got 1 to do. So, hey, we're getting almost there. A lot of lessons learned. I'm gonna share all the tips and tricks at the end of the video.
Yeah, fast as you go. So that was half the time we did that, but we had a lot of trial and error last night. So.
Yep, we learned a lot. So the more we learn, the more we teach. Hey, pass that knowledge.
Yes, sir.
Hey, as y'all can probably tell by the wardrobe change, man, it's a week later and we are about to finish this whole project. We got one more light to put up because life be lifing, man. And believe it or not, we got jobs. So
yes, sir.
Get to it when we can. A lot of y'all think this is easy, man. But hey, give it a try. But we about to come over here, put that one up. That's the light that pretty much will be shining over Cranberry over here. She itching to get outside because that sun is out today. But, but yeah, we're gonna get it right, man. We're gonna take this last light down, figure out how we're gonna map it around this pipe. I don't know, we might be having to do some zip ties. Yeah, but we're gonna figure it out. So here we go, time lapse mode in 1, 2, 3. All right, y'all. So we finally done. Just got to put, yes, as you can see, y'all saw us throw that up. Man, we did that one in under less than 30 minutes. Yeah. So, hey, once you map it out on the floor, usually after you get your first one done, man, they go quick after that.
Could have done it one day.
Yep.
First one, as y'all saw, we had a little.
That jumper up there was kicking my butt, so but we did get it done.
Yeah.
And then now I got to put the caps for the final piece for the install, but the screws that came with these caps are just a little too short, about a 1/2 inch short. So I'm gonna have to make a trip up to Menards and buy some different screws to clean it up. And then after that, man, it's all, then we just in here hanging out, cleaning, and just enjoying the summer. But if y'all haven't already, please like, comment, share, you know. And if you haven't yet, hit that subscribe button.
Yes, sir.
All right, and we'll catch y'all on the flip side. Peace.